Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot. Can I add someone to my Wealthsimple Cash account? Before we dive into that, let's take a quick look at what Wealthsimple Cash is and why it's so popular. Wealthsimple Cash is a free mobile app that allows you to send and receive money instantly. It's like a digital wallet, but better. You can use it to pay bills, split expenses with friends, and even get cash back on your purchases. Now, let's get back to the question at hand. Can you add someone to your Wealthsimple Cash account? Unfortunately, the answer is no. You cannot add a co-owner to an existing Wealthsimple Cash account. However, there are a few other ways to share your money with others. Here are a few options. Create a joint bank account. This is the best option if you want to have full control over the account and be able to make deposits and withdrawals together. Use a peer-to-peer payment app. There are a number of apps that allow you to send and receive money without having to create a joint account. Set up a separate account for shared expenses. This is a good option if you only need to share money for specific purposes, such as rent or groceries. So, there you have it. You can't add someone to your Wealthsimple Cash account, but there are other ways to share your money with others. I hope this helps. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.